loves! Welcome back to another vlog. Kape po tayo. Grabe, nakaka-happy yung sunshine ni Kulo. Ang ganda ng view natin. Pakita ko sa inyo mga kalalabs. Ito yung ating pa-view habang nagkakape tayo. Oh my God, look at that sunshine mga kalalabs. Oh, mamaya maliligo kami ni Nicole sa swimming pool. Look at that sunshine and the view. Hello, Chiang Mai. And doon yung ating mas maganda siya sa umaga mga kalalabs, sa baba. Ang ganda ng hotel na to mga kalalabs. Like you should try to stay here, it's beautiful. Ang sarap din ng tulog ko kagabi mga kalalabs. Ang lambot ng ng bed. Sobrang comfy lang. Thank you Lord for this blessing kasi na-experience namin tong lahat. Sobrang happy lang. And thank you din kay Papa Dave kasi he always makes sure na maganda yung experience namin. Oh, alam niyo ba, itong hotel na to, kasi meron kami ibang hotel na pag-iistehan sana. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, ito maganda tong hotel na to, parang, like, alam mo yun, nakaka-relax. And tama ako, kasi yung hotel na pag-iistehan namin, parang, something like, yung parang pinag-iistehan namin ng Shanghai. And maganda yung ganito, parang siyang villa-villa, alam niyo yun? Parang feeling ko nga nasa sa Bali din ako sa sa design ng rooms at saka yung area. Buti na lang ito yung napili namin na pag-istihan. And yung agenda pala natin today, yung plan natin is nag-research na rin ako ng gagawin kasi si Papa Dave hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin dito sa Chiang Mai. Meron siyang mga plan, pero sabi ko ito yung mga gusto kong gawin. And buti na lang kay Papa Dave, nakikinig din naman siya sa mga gusto ko. So, give and take kami. So, sabihin niya, ito yung plan ko, gusto kong gawin sa gabi. Ikaw, anong gusto mong gawin? So, sabi ko, okay, ito yung gusto kong gawin sa umaga. Yung parang, alam mo yun, after breakfast, mag-get ready. Tapos, ito yung gusto kong puntahan. So, meron akong yung parang day market siya. And then, pupuntahan natin siya mamaya. Kasi it looks amazing. It looks nice. So, sabi ko, let's try this one. Ano siya yung Jingjai. It's called Jingjai Market. So, puntahan natin mamaya. Explore natin yung Chiang Mai. And ang plano din namin is huwag kaming masyadong, like mag-stay sa labas ng sobrang init. Ngayon kasi parang ang init ngayon kakaiba. Yung parang dapat ngayong March is mainit na mainit, yung parang uncomfortable na sa umaga. Pero parang yung simoy ng hangin malamig. Siguro depende, kung nasa Bangkok ka ganun, mainit na, ganitong oras pa lang. Pero kasi nasa Chiang Mai tayo, kaya medyo mas cooler yung hangin. So, yun yung mga plan natin. And then, basta, samahan nyo na lang kami dito sa Chiang Mai sa ating day 1. For now, kape muna ako and then maya-maya mag-ready para kumain sa baba, breakfast. And coffee po. Good morning, good morning! Breakfast time mga kalalabs. Hindi siya buffet. Ano siya, yung sa a la carte. So maganda siya kasi pag buffet kasi 'di ba? Ang daming choices, mabubusog ka ng bonggang-bongga. So we ordered a different kind of breakfast. And then meron silang pa-bread.
What butter?
Meron silang butter. Maybe this is regular butter and then the Thai butter, curry. You think so?
Try.
That's chocolate.
Wait, it's gonna... There. Ayan siya. And then they have... What is this? Tofu. Ayan. Wow. And look at this.
Marmalade.
Is it mango marmalade or meron siyang mga jam? So, nag-order ako ng detox juice and coffee, of course. But let's try this detox juice. Oh, wow. That's really good. What did you order, love? Look at that. Like, it's so, guwapo. Parang refreshing. Very refreshing.
I don't like it.
How do you like it?
It's good. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. You're drinking alcohol so early?
No, that's a detox juice.
Wow.
It's good, right?
I feel detoxified. That Thai iced tea looks really good.
Mm.
Hold on.
Sabi ko kay Papa Day, para kaming nasa Europe, Asia or something.
Move that glass, please.
Kasi ang ganda ng decoration nila sa table. It's really nice. Kailangan mo dito pagpunta ka, kailangan naka-dressy ka, yung dress na talagang tapos muni-muni ka dyan. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. Share ko lang sa inyo yung pa-view natin. Wow, Nicole is having a chai tea. Wow, it's good?
It's good.
It's good? That's good. Andito na yung breakfast namin. So this is called Lana breakfast. So it has curry, rice, vegetables, and then para siyang spam or something like that. But it's not spam. And then it looks so good. Kain po. Ooh. Kain po. Oh, wow. That's good.
So, what would be amazing living in this part of the world is that you can come here whenever you want. It would be literally a $40 flight
Mm-hmm.
in like a couple hours.
Time to explore Chiang Mai, mga kalalabs. First, syempre, hindi mawawala ang pagbisita sa temple. Itong temple na to, mga kalalabs, malapit lang sa hotel namin. 10 minutes away. Pero mamaya, after this, pupunta tayo ng market. Pero yun, mas malayo siya. So, hoping na hindi ko alam kung mag-aano ba kami. Mag-Uber or magtutuk-tuk or maglalakad. Hindi siya masyadong mainit. Like ngayon, yung parang, yung parang relax lang yung... Hello! Sawadee-kap! Relax lang yung yung araw. Even though it's already like, what time is it? 9?
Yeah.
9 a.m. Yeah. Okay. Hindi tayo sa temple. So, bago tayo pumasok ng temple, mga kalalabs, kailangan magbayad ng ticket. And then, si Nicole kasi, short yung niya. Naka-skirt siya, kaya kailangan mag-rent ng... Oh, you have money? Oh, 20 baht. Do you have 20 baht? Or how much is that? Oh, okay.
But $1.
Yeah, look at that. So, now we need to find where to purchase the ticket, right?
Up there.
Okay.
Telling me that.
Oh, it's there. Okay. Kapong kaf.
Ah.
Okay, let's go.
She's talking to a Thai.
Yeah. Kinakausap kami ng Thai language. Kasi mukha naman tayong Thai. Oh, Nicole, you should wear. Yeah, you need to wear because you're wearing skirt. That's why you're not allowed to enter the
Do I keep this forever?
No, it's for rent. You're not keeping it forever.
But we need to find
Ticket master. Here. Okay, bili kami ng ticket. So, nakapasok kami dyan sa temple. Magbabayad kayo ng 50 baht. So, 150 baht kasi tatlo kami. And then ngayon, ikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa around ng temple. How is it, love?
excellent,
Excellent.
beautiful,
Beautiful.
great ceremony.
Yeah. Wow. call? You don't wanna do the gong?
Monks and the cook.
Yeah. He said it's okay. So, maliit lang tong temple na to, mga kalalabs. Pero maganda siya. Like, hindi ka magsasawang mamasyal ng temple dito sa sa Thailand. So, ito yung pinasok namin kanina. Kailangan nyo lang magbayad ng 150 baht to enter. So, yung kailangan before kayo mag-ikot-ikot or bago kayo pumasok dyan sa may temple, you need to pay 150 baht. For 3, 50 baht isa. Tatlo kami sa 150 baht. And then, nagpa-bless din kami ni Papa Dave. Mag-donate lang kayo kung ilan yung gusto nyo o kung magkano yung gusto nyo i-donate. And then, binigyan kami ng string, white and red. So, tapos na kami dito kasi maliit lang yung area. And next, we are going to another temple, Rob? Or we're going to that Jengjai.
Let's go to
Jeng-
Jingjang Market.
Okay.
Because temples are going to be temples.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, punta tayo sa market. Yung nakita ko na sinearch ko kagabi. Jengjai Market. Jingjai or Jingjang? Jingjai.
Oh.
May nangungulit na tatay sa amin. Tapos nag-ano siya. Para siya nag-sound like Nicole. Like, hindi siya taga-Thai. Hindi siya taga-Thailand. Nagmura siya, be. Kaloka. I was like, sir, like, so Anyway, hanap kami ng coffee shop. And then, naglalakad-lakad lang kami mga kalas to explore the area. So, dito sa Chiang Mai, maliit lang siya eh. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang part ng Thailand. It's a very small area. So, it's easy to like walk around. Pwede naman kayo mag-take ng taxi, Uber, ganyan, or tuk-tuk. Pero kami kasi, much better na mag-walking para ma-explore yung area. Alam mo yun? Ang dami kayong pwedeng mapagpilian na restaurant. Tsaka marami ding hotels dito. And then, ano pa ba? Massage. Siguro mamaya magpapamasahe kami. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong oras, pero I think we will do. Kasi you must do massage here. Kasi $15 siya. Hindi siya mahal. Sa Canada kasi mahal, diba? So, dito, magpaspa ka na magpaspa. Kasi dito ka rin lang. Why not, diba? I-enjoy natin. Hello! Okay. So, andito na kami sa may Jingjai Market. But then, let's see, parang wala namang open. They said open weekdays eh. But then, oh my gosh, there's a market there. But I saw, oh my gosh. Yung mga,
Everything's open around like 6.
yeah, I think influencer is very influencer. Sabi 12 noon, like 10 a.m. or 12 noon, they're open here. But maybe let's look around.
It's open there too, like good goods.
Yeah, I know. But I saw it's like a lot of like food here. My gosh. Here, I'm just gonna check around here, lab. There. Let me check, you never know. Oh, okay. Oh, yan siya. Saan yung market na nakita ko? Oh. Okay. Disappointed. Pero okay lang. At least may nagawa. Ikot-ikot na lang kami dito sa mga shop. Lab, I think that area down there is supposed to be like a lot of food. But then,
Yeah, maybe at night.
at night, they said open. It's like 10 a.m., 12, something like that.
Well, it is
Let's check
open.
around
yeah,
here.
it is open. It's just not like.
Okay.
not
At least
perfect.
it's a nice
I think
place.
everybody drank last night, having a little party. They're sleeping in.
Yeah, but anyway.
And it's not high season for tourism.
Yeah. Not a lot of tourists ngayon mga
Like
kats.
last
Let's
time-
check around here.
Last time I was here, it was like Christmas season. It was so
Yeah.
New Year's, right?
Yeah, wow, look at those stuff. Okay, let's check around. Oh, that's a nice top. Oh, this one's nice. Like it's see-through. Oh, okay. Yung quality niya parang knitted or something. But this one is cute. Check lang kami dito. Sayang naman. Yan yung mga bag, oh, mga kalalabs, oh. Pang beach. Pag ano kayo, magbi-beach kayo, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Pero hindi kasi ako yung ano, yung mahilig sa ganyan. What's that?
So cute.
How much? Oh, okay. They're really a good quality, handmade. That's why the price is high. This is like a high, high price. Tingnan nyo naman to, oh. Hindi siya yung regular na,
Look at these pillows. Everything's kind of made out of the same stuff. I think it's called jute.
wow, eh?
It's called jute. So they're making all their own clothes out of it. They're
Yeah.
making their own pillows, their own jackets.
Hello.
So you know what jute is?
I don't know that.
Jute is actually from a plant.
Oh, I see, okay.
It's called like a jute tree.
What, they're
they
very,
like
very,
burlap. They
very,
make like burlap jute sacks out of it, and they
Yeah.
make sometimes handbags, jute bags. But this is the first time you really see jute clothing.
yeah, they're very like, anong rough? Yung rough, yung parang magaspang. Wala, dito sana yung mga market. Dito siya, may mga damit, ganun, pagkain. Which one? It's very rough, like I don't like the texture.
It's supposed to be like that.
I don't like it. The texture is very, Okay, let's go to that. The grocery shop, that one or the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check this out down there. Some other people is here, so like tourists.
They made the same mistake.
And see, but it says there like open weekdays. Like why? Why is it closed? I don't know. I don't understand.
It is open. We just went in.
Open. The shop is open, but I'm talking about here.
The
like
night market?
yeah, the night market.
Yeah, we'll come at the night.
I don't think so.
Babe,
Beb, I saw it online. It says 12 noon. It's open.
Oh,
Like everything is here. That's why.
come here.
What's that? You can eat that actually. Try it, love. Don't you dare. Don't do that.
Why? You never
Okay.
tried this?
No, let's
This
go.
tamarind?
That's not tamarind, love. Let's go inside here. May Goyard dito, oh, mga kalalabs. Parang similar ng Goyard, no? Yung mga bag. Goyard. Ganda ng mga nila, oh. Colorful. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Baka meron tayo makita. Ah, looks so cute. The color is so cute. Yan yung mga bag, oh. Ang cute.
Yes.
What's that?
This is what we should buy when we're like
Oh, milk
in
tablet.
different like things. And like,
Oh.
oh, could you put milk in it? And they don't have it. And then you're like, oh, could
It's
you
kind of like
guys-
then, Bev. Like, it's kind of like a milk powder, but it's tablet.
So smart.
Yeah, smart. Ah, look at this. Yung mga jewelries. Alahas. What's that, Nicole? Pabango? Smells good? Mahilig si Nicole sa pabango. It's actually a nice place.
It is.
It's clean and very relaxing place. May mga coffee shop matcha. Oh my, Nicole's matcha. Matcha man. Yeah, I saw there's a video. Here it's like all food court. Food court. It's different when you see it in person, right? Experience it. Yeah.
I think people will look at they'll put up the umbrella.
Wow. Mango jelly. Sarap na pampasalubong. Mango jelly. Ito 69 yan, tapos ito 129.
Is that butter?
No, it's a mango jelly.
Oh, okay.
What butter? What's your macadamia. Macadamia.
Your
That's a
rice.
rice? Brown rice?
Hot pot.
Hop.
Oh, 40 bucks.
I know, right? What is this one? This is chili crispy deep fried. Yum, sounds spicy. How about this one? What is this?
Bananas.
Oh, bananas. Look at
Banana
that. Banana cute.
Kinda.
Oh, ang sasarap ng mga to, mga kalalabs. Oh, what's that? Oyster mushroom. Oyster mushroom. That looks good. Ano to? Ano kayong lasa niyan? Bili kaya ako ng isa para matikman natin. Love, I wanna buy this one. I wanna try if it's good. Which one is better? Ito yung ano, ito regular. Original flavor. Let's try the ano. May salted egg. 45 baht. Yan. Try natin yan. Para naman meron tayong napala dito sa ano. Jingjai Market.
But you're not getting all that sugar.
What's that? I got something. See what we got? Taran!
Butter cubes.
That's a mango jelly.
Oh.
I have one.
Yeah, sure. You can try. Okay, let's go.
I was thinking of doing this in our room. Look, right across the ceiling.
Isn't it cool?
No,
I like
in your
that
house,
design.
In your house, in your
Yeah, back home, yeah.
you could do this.
Yeah.
Get Nona to figure it out.
No, figure out. Ah, what is this one? Ganda oh, ang lamig. Stop. Beb.
Help me.
Meron din silang regular grocery store dito mga kalalabs ko. Ayan, meron tayong mga pasalubong na pwedeng bilhin. Pwedeng matry. What is this one, Nicole? Pork rind. Does really have a unique, snack? Look at that. Like, wow. Strawberry. Looks good. Oh, this one, Nicole, oh. Oh.
Cheese dried.
I know, right? Chicharon. Looks so good. Hotel na kami, mga kalalabs. May mga nabili tayo doon sa, Jingjai Market. Bili ako nitong, oyster mushroom. Tatry natin yan, na meron siyang salted egg. And then, we have the mango jelly na natry na ni Nicole. And then, bumili ako nitong chicharon. This one looks good. Ayan siya. And si Nicole, pumili siya nito. Nicole, are you gonna eat this?
Yeah.
Sa 7-Eleven, kasi gutom na daw siya. Ako, hindi pa ako gutom. I think we have a really beautiful and yummy breakfast. That's why I'm not hungry yet. Pumili ako nitong pang natin, keratin sa buhok kasi nagda-dry siya. Especially pag ganitong weather, yung hair ko nagda-dry talaga siya. Bumili ako ng sabong panglaba kasi maglalaba ako ng namin ni Nicole. Mga undies lang naman yung lalabhan natin. Nagpapalaba kami ni Nicole ang damit namin para wala kaming daladalang madumi. Hindi namin alam kung anong oras namin siya i-drop off sa laundry. Kasi yung laundry naman nila dito, 24 hours. May nadaanan kami malapit dito sa hotel. Ayan. And I'm just gonna try this one. Try natin to. Let's try. What? You wanna try, love? Nicole, sino ba si Papa Dave? Look at Papa Dave. Nope. This is only mine. Pagpapasaway ko si Papa Dave. Wait lang. Like, can you give it to Papa Dave, please? Here. Oh my God. Smells good. Sarap siya.
What is it?
Pork cracklings or something, or
I only have tiny bit because it's not healthy.
it's not healthy, it's good. Ito ka na naman, Papa. Let's enjoy our vacation. Isn't it good? Masarap to pag may sausawan. Yummy. Ay, masarap to pag may sausawan. Ito, mamaya natin to try. Ito na lang muna. Kasi gusto ko, siya. Hindi ko siya buksan lahat. Kasi baka mamaya buksan natin to, hindi na natin to mapansin. Yung isa na lang yung pinapansin natin. Good. Yummy. Meron pala kaming afternoon tea dito sa hotel. Hindi pa nila nalinis yung hotel room namin. Busy sila. So ngayon, mamaya afternoon tea. Let's see kung anong oras yon. Should I call them? And then ask them what time is the afternoon tea? Let's see kung ano yung ano natin. Lab? Should we call them and ask them what time
Yeah,
is?
just say, hey, what time's your afternoon tea? Yeah, because we paid for it.
Tea party, mga kalalas. Look at that. Looks so good. Wow, mga kalalabs. Busog-lusog tayo dito. Busog-lusog talaga, no? Okay, let's try this, Is it sweet dumpling or not really, Nicole? No? Kamayin ko na lang.
You are my little sweet dumpling.
Kain po. It's good. Labas na ulit tayo, mga kalalabs. I-try natin ulit yung hunting natin sa night market. Kasi kanina hindi tayo naging successful. So this time, let's see kung ano mangyayari. Maglalakad kami kasi naman na 6 PM. So hindi siya ganun ka-init. And then mamaya siguro pag napagod kami, mag-Uber or mag-Grab. So, nandito na kami sa night market, mga kalalas. Hindi ito yung typical na night market.
It is called
really nice.
Niman Night
Yeah.
Market.
Hindi siya yung parang yung alam niyo yun, nakikita natin sa
Oh, look at-
Bangkok na night market. Pero may mga sila dito, may mga damit. Huh? What would you like? Clothing? Here,
Oh,
wow!
we're in Italy now.
Wait, pakita ko sa inyo.
Turn around. Look at St. Mark's Square.
There you go. Wow, okay. Ayun na si Nicole. May hinahanap siyang damit. So, tingin-tingin muna kami and then after this, kakain. Kain tayo ng dinner. Ah, looks cute. Is that a vintage again, Nicole? Yeah. Okay. Happy?
Yeah,
What did you get?
I got this brand.
Ta-da!
Usually, guys, kasi mga vintage,
Mhm.
like people, those type of clothing, they care about the brands and like not the
Yeah.
what it looks like. So this originally is $60 and I got it for $13.
$13. And then I got something, nakabili ako ng sandal, mga kalalabs. Ngayon, pupunta kami sa ibang lugar. Hindi ko alam kung night market din ba. Wala kami makitang masarap na pagkain dito. So we are going to transfer somewhere. Nakapag-shopping tuloy kami ni Nicole ng mga anik-anik. Nakabili ako ng 2 blouse. May 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 skirt akong nakita. Sabi ni Papa Dave, it's too big, sabi niya. Yung gusto niya yung short talaga. Hindi ako talaga nagso-short talaga. Sabi niya yan, hanggang kita ang singit doon, be. Sabi ko, I can't wear that. Kita ang singit ko dyan. Kaloka ka. Sabi ko, hindi natuloy ako nakabili ng short skirt. Let's try let's try doon sa next natin. Next destination natin.
If you want.
So, waiting for the Grab, right? Good morning, mga kalalabs. Hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo kagabi. Kasi, After kami namasyal doon sa night market, pumunta kami doon sa main street nila. Malapit lang dito sa sa hotel namin. Kumain lang kami ng dinner. Kauso yung kinain naming dinner, si Nicole chicken wings. And then after that, umuwi na rin kami. Yun lang yung kaganapan natin. Alam nyo, dito sa nagtataka kami kasi usually, sobrang busy dito sa Chiang Mai. Tapos, dito yung parang ang daming night market ganun. Pero this time parang wala siyang masyado. Parang siguro nasanay kami sa Bangkok na marami kang makikitang mga night market, ganyan, mga pagkain. Dito wala masyado. Yung mga shopping nila dito, vintage siya. Si Nicole nakabili siya ng t-shirt niya. And susuotin niya daw today. Pwede mo na suotin yun, be? Yeah. And then, nakabili din ako ng sandals. Ito yung sandals na nabili ko. Maganda to. Ang dami niyang different color, pero ito yung binili ko. May mga black, pero sabi ko, wag na munang black. Dapat may color. Ayan siya. And yung brand niya is Marmores. Ito siya, oh. Comfy siya sa paa. Maganda siya. Tapos, ang daming bumibili dun. So, itry natin siya today. Let's see kung ano mangyayari. Kung okay ba siya sa long walk or something like that. Kasi yung shoes, okay yung, hindi nakabili si Nicole ng slipper niya. Sabi ko, bili siya ng slipper niya eh. Pero siguro mamaya, magsushoes ka no, be? Yeah. Ayun, yun lang yung mga kaganapin natin dito sa Medyo na parang sabi ko, hindi ako nasanay na ganun yung Thailand. Actually, dito, meron silang malaking night market. Kaso nga lang, Sunday lang yun. Sunday lang siya ginaganap. And yung mga mini night market na ganun sa pinuntahan namin kahapon. Wala man lang sila dong parang food court na yung mainganyo kang kumain. Medyo siya, pero limited, parang ganun. Pero dito mga kalabs, siya, affordable yung mga bilihin din. Pero again, wala sila nung mga regular na mga nakikita natin sa Bangkok na mga kahit saang sulok, makakita ka kaagad ng mga hinahanap mo tulad ng sandals, ganyan, slippers, clothing, ganyan. Meron silang brand na damit na nakita ko na para siyang Aritzia quality, something like that. Okay siya, linen na mga damit, tsaka pants. Bibili sana ako, kaso lang hindi ako masyadong nag-aalangan ako bumili pag di mo siya tinatry. Kahit nga sa short Parang sabi ko, itatry. Niisip ko, bibili ba ako niyan? Kung hindi ko matry, pag hindi kasya, di sayang. Kaya hindi ako bumili ng shirt. Bibili sana ako ng shirt. But anyway, I'll be ending my vlog na here mga kalalabs para hindi masyadong mahaba. Hindi ako makapag-upload ng vlog kasi mahina yung wifi nila dito. Kagabi ko pa siya tinatry i-upload yung Shanghai vlog natin. Yung Shanghai vlog, mahaba yun kasi pinagsama ko yung day 1 at saka day 2. Sabi ko, ang haba-haba, 1 hour. Parang almost 1 hour siya. Pero this time, i-day 1 natin yung Chiang Mai, Thailand, and then second. Kasi may ganap kami sa second vlog natin dito sa Chiang Mai. So, abangan nyo na lang. Again, thank you all for watching. See you on our next vlog, mga kalab. Sana po ay na-enjoy nyo yung vlog natin today. Love you all. Bye!